Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have given CBC Mock 5, VRC 12, DLR 14, Quants 39, overall 65. So before I start talking about this, yesterday night the class was completed around 11:15 something. I shot the video and after that I directly slept. In the morning I was thinking I have to give the mock today itself because I was expecting maybe Gaurav sir will discuss the mock questions in the class. Something like a discussion might happen. So I thought I'll give the mock today itself so that it will not be pending. I told you in yesterday's video, if not today, maybe on Monday I'll give. But I thought I'll give it today itself. The first thing is, I know it should not be a reason, but still, I didn't get enough sleep actually. Because yesterday night I slept and I woke up early today, so I was not totally fresh. In the VARC, I have attempted a total of 19 questions, so attempts were okay. I started with RC number 2. There is this RC on Korean's Han concept. So I thought like I am kind of familiar with it, so I'll solve this one. I attempted all the 4 questions from it. This is the only RC where all the 4 out of 4 questions were wrong. I was actually surprised. I haven't analyzed this particular mock as of now because we had classes from 11 o'clock in the morning to now it is still going on. We got a break, so I'm shooting it. So I don't know like how is this totally wrong. I have to still analyze this. After RC2, I went to RC3. There I have attempted 4 questions again. 3 questions were correct, 1 is wrong, so totally fine. Then I came back to RC number 1. From there also I have attempted all the 4 questions, 2 questions correct, 2 questions wrong. So the major issue was with the first, RC number 2, the Korea RC, where all the 4 out of 4 questions were wrong. I have to analyze them. I thought I understood the RC well because that's the first RC which I have picked. In the VA part also, only 2 questions were correct, 2 parasummary questions were wrong, and if they are wrong we will get negatives also. So this is the reason my score was very low. 12 marks only I have got in the VARC. It's fluctuating, like VARC is fluctuating like anything. In the knockout 2 sectional I got 36. In yesterday's PYQ I got 24 or something. Now again in this it's like 12, which is not at all good. I know paper was kind of easy, at least 25, 26, 30, if not 30, 25, 26 it's possible. So I'll analyze this, not today, tomorrow freshly I'll analyze this. I'm already exhausted today. Now coming about, talking about DLR, I started with set number 3. It is this bar chart. There are companies which market or you can say they sell their beauty products, makeup products. So that was the set I started with. Out of all the 5 questions, I was able to attempt all the 5 questions. I took roughly 15-16 minutes for this. After I completed this, I went to set number 5, the last set, this Zoom wala set. I made the table, like the grid I have arranged, but I somehow did not get the total arrangement properly, and I thought it's better not to take risk because I thought some other set I'll be able to solve. So I didn't attempt any questions from them. Only one question I tried to attempt and that was also wrong. Then I went to set number 2, which is about game developers and what is the average time they have to spend. So that was the set. From there I have attempted 2 questions, one was correct and one was wrong. I should have got one more set completely correct. I kind of got tensed because if I was able to complete one set in the first 15-16 minutes, then obviously in the rest of the 25 minutes or at least in the 20 minutes I must be able to solve one more set. Maybe because I have shifted from the last set to the set number 2, I think I did not score in both of the sets, is what I think so. I have to analyze it. I'll do it tomorrow again. But 30 is like still possible. 2 sets completely if you are able to solve, which is possible I guess, and 30 is easily scoreable for this. Now talking about quants part, I scored how much? 38. I have attempted No, I scored 39. I have attempted 15 questions. Two questions which were wrong, those are of very silly mistakes. One is of 49th question. It is like number of tangents of the circles. In the exam, I forgot the conditions. There are 3 to 4 conditions. C1, C2 equal to R1, R2, greater than R1, R2, less than R1, R2. I forgot for which condition do we get number of tangents. I know, like, I can easily check it in the exam, taking a small figure and finding out, but this is kind of, one of the last questions which are solved in the exam, so I didn't have enough of time to make a figure and find it out. The one more question which I made wrong is 51st question. It is like very big silly mistake I have made, because they asked f of 3 minus f of 2. I got the value as 38. They asked for sum of all positive integers of 38. So it is like 1 plus 2 plus 19 plus 38, which is like 60. I thought 38 is the answer, and I marked it, and it's wrong. So plus 3 plus 4 plus 7, I should have got more in the quants, which is like 46, and overall 65 plus 7, it would have given me 72. Now this is one more thing I wanted to share with you. This is my 23rd mock number 23. So 23 mocks I have given till now, and the last time I got total of less than 70 is in the mock number 12, which is again a easy mock, I guess. I don't remember it exactly. Yeah, easy mock number 4 it is. From the last 11-12 mocks, I was scoring more than 70. It would be a lie if I say I did not get stress after this mock result in the morning, because after I saw my VRC score, I was not able to focus properly in the DLR class. Also, I am kind of slow in DLR. I'll be able to solve, but I can't solve it in a very less time. When the classes started in the month of June, sir used to give, for suppose 10 to 15, 12 minutes of time. Later in the month of October, he reduced the time to 10 minutes or 8-9 minutes. Today in the class, he was giving only 7 minutes. I was not able to solve it in that time. ऊपर से ये mock का भी score, both of them made my brain pissy, and I was like, what is happening? I'm not able to score well. I'm not able to see any progress or something. Then in the afternoon, I was kind of little confused. Then we got a break from 3 to 4. I had my lunch, and then I tried to analyze my quants first, because I'll complete quants analysis fast. So then I realized that okay, in quants itself I made very silly mistakes. So obviously in DLR and in VRC I might have actually made lot of silly mistakes, is what I felt like. And also it is fine, like from, let's say, average of 70 to 73 something, I scored 65, which is not a very big dip is what I think so. But also one more thing is, like, if we are having classes from 11 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the night, when do we give mocks? Chalo, let's suppose they are telling us to give mocks in the morning, 8 to 10 or 9 to 11, whatever time it is. When are we going to analyze it? Because this week we don't have classes in the morning, only from 8 o'clock in the evening we have classes. But uske baad, next week onwards we do have classes from morning, right? So how should we balance it? Because this is my first time giving CAT, I don't know how should we balance it. So if at all you have any plan for this, let me know. I'm thinking, like, how should I even give a mock in my slot? Let's suppose my slot is 3, slot number 3. So how should I give a mock in that particular slot if there is a class going on for us? So we'll say, like, you give it in the morning. We are sleeping late. How can we get up early and give a mock and then attend the session and then analyze it? I kind of feel it is tough as of now. Let's see, like, how does it go. And also from now on I'll be focusing mostly on a revision of previous things mostly. I'm not going to solve any kind of new questions except the mocks and sectional things. So that's it. Yeah, I'm attending the algebra revision session as well. So everything is going on simultaneously. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow again. Bye bye.